Today we have a 2013 Chevy Malibu with a 2.5 liter engine. We'll be changing both the upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. So you obviously see the upstream one right there, and the down one, just follow along, you'll find it post cap. So first off, what we're going to do is unplug the connectors here for the upstream and downstream. You can see the upstream is right there, and the downstream is directly below it under thermostat. So right there, where you can see the wire right under this hose here. So we're going to unplug both of these, and I'll go ahead and get that one fixed. So after we unplug it there, our oxygen sensor socket here, it's a little slot. You can try number 22 wrench, but I'm probably going to take off the heat shield. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and remove that and install our new one. There are two different part numbers for the upstream and downstream. This is the upstream one right there, and our downstream one. So I'm going to go ahead and swap this out, plug it in, plug it up, and we're going to raise the vehicle and do the downstream oxygen sensor. Okay guys, so we're under the vehicle here, and you can see the downstream O2 sensor right after the cap or exhaust manifold. Now something like this, you can't use that socket I had earlier, so you can use one of these, or I really just opted into a number 22 wrench. So let's go ahead and remove that, pop our new one in, and then go back up top and plug it in. Alright, so we're back on top, and you can see from this white connector here, we have our new oxygen sensor, as well as the other end here, as I mentioned earlier. So another thing you can tell is, the upstream is black, the downstream is white. That's pretty much it. So plug her up and we'll be done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more videos to come.